Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at the new whiteboard right here in Zoom. If you notice right there's a whiteboard. This is a new feature that Zoom just bring out. So we're going to be exploring it and see exactly what it entails, if you can use it during the presentation, whether for school, work, or home. It's very important. Right? So I'm going to guide you through this area. So first, you want to do is to click on it. When you click on it, if you notice, it started to load right here. Good. If you notice right up here, show you new. Right here shows you that I can create whiteboard. Show that I can create a collaboration. Right here, which means I can collaborate with other person on the same section. You notice all whiteboard, my whiteboard right here, you can share with me, start trash. And notice you can also modify. So what I want to do, I want to start a new one. You can come right here, I can just come here to do the same. So I'm just going to click on that. Clicking on it, you notice it take time. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so click this right here. Notice when I finish the show page that I can actually share it. Notice right here shows the untitled. You can actually hit a name right here. But if you come right here, see so that you can actually select. Notice you have a pencil you can draw. But if you come right here, so you can also add shape. Here you can also put a line, but here you can actually add text. Yes, text to it. Alright, if you notice right here, you can put sticky note. Can also insert image here. This is the eraser in which I can actually move. Right, if you notice right, the speed one of what. Right, so definitely we're gonna try the sticky note, right, which is this. Now when you click on the sticky note, you notice there's a plus come up on this, right? So notice when I come like that, there you go. Right, so I'm going to say welcome to Zoom. Good. So this is the sticky note. You know it's like that. If I come back to like this, I can hold on left side and mouse a touchpad. I can draw it, put it anywhere I want it. If I put the cursor at any one of these ends, I can actually extend it just like that, just the same. Right? If you notice this also with another stuff in that you can actually come out like this. You notice? You give you an extra one just like that. Yes. And if you come like this and you right click on it, definitely on the original. Right, it won't show you anything that much, but if you click back on it like that, you come right here, so that I can actually align the text. Right, and if you click right here, it show you more. But if you notice right here, show that I can delete it, you can send go backwards. Right here, show that I can duplicate it, show that I can actually copy it, just the same. So if I click copy right there, right, and I come out here, so, and I come like that, you notice it haven't showing nothing. Alright, good. Let's go back again. So you have to click on it again. You click right here. Notice, copy, right, and all of that, and this goes a paste. You notice, here's the next one comes like that, and this is exactly how it works. I see because it's new. Good, and that's where you actually do it. So if you notice, like here, you can come right here, so you can add a circle. You notice the circle follow the cursor, come all the way like that, so that I can actually bold. Right, if you notice, you can actually increase it. The front side. So if you're right, greetings, right, it should right here, so I can actually increase the front side right here. Right, yes, so let me, you can increase the front side right here. You notice as soon as I click this, you notice I come right here, so I click on 48, come back here down to 16 and all that. If you notice right here, this is self. Oh, then notice the color change inside that. Very important. But if you come right here, so this now this show your text. You notice I click in the box and I can say welcome again, just the same. Right, I can actually bold that. Right, I can actually underline it. Because if you underline, I can italic it. Right here, I can align text. But if I come right here and I click, you can get some color to your text. And if I come right here, it shows that I can copy and paste it just the same. Good. So notice as soon as I click off right, you know, see nothing. But if I want to move it, I can just hold on the left side and put it right underneath that, and that's the benefit of it. Right here, I want to insert an image. Notice it take me directly to my desktop. I'm gonna click right there. This itself is an image right here. Click it. Alright, now let me go for a different image instead. Open it. Alright, let me try this one. Right inside here, and then I'm going to click right here. So if you notice, this itself is the image right here. We can actually move it where we want it, just the same. Or we can actually come like this, size it down just the same. just like that. But if you come right up here, you notice it show that I can duplicate it just the same. Alright, just the same, and actually click it, and there you go with it. Alright, so this is a eraser now. If I don't use a pencil as yet. Alright, you're gonna draw something. Notice you can put a little fraction right there. Right over here. Yes. So when you're teaching, you can actually do this like that. Come like that. Right, and then you come like this. And then you come like, there you go. You want to erase it, you just click right here on the eraser. Alright, you come like that. And actually erase it. Just like that. So very important. So if you want to share it now, you can come all the way over and click. And if you notice when you click, alright, this is very important, and this is something that I want you to pay attention to. You can click and copy the link right here. Notice you show all the owner, but if you notice right here, it says the editor. When you click a little pointer, if you click this, it makes sure that other person can actually edit it. But if you click commenter, person can only comment. If you click on view, person can only view it, but they can do nothing to it. So it's very important which one are the things that you wanted to do when you do all of that. Very important. So hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember to share, like, and subscribe.